COVID has undoubtedly caused a mental health crisis in Scotland. Let's not forget there was a mental health treatment and waiting crisis in Scotland, particularly for young people prior to COVID. But that has got immeasurably worse since the pandemic. Now 1 in 100 children, that's 1 in 100, are now in the queue for treatment through what are known as child and adolescent mental health services here in Scotland. Many are waiting more than 2 years for treatment. And at that age, if you're 12 or 14, 2 years is a very, very significant time to be waiting for treatment. So you're absolutely right. We need to get kids back to normal, get them back to normal in the classroom with the usual process of socialisation, and then hopefully we can start to tackle the looming mental health crisis that is undoubtedly there. But we want to see the Scottish Government get normality back into our classrooms. I think many, many children and their parents want to see the same. For some reason, the Scottish Government seems to have caved into the EIS union in Scotland, but certainly the parents and the pupils that I've spoken to have said they want to see classrooms getting back to normality, particularly given that so many of them have now had the vaccine. That's 40% of them. So we will certainly be continuing to press the Scottish Government for this. It was deeply regrettable that they didn't announce a lifting of the ban when schools come back after the October break. And you're right in your opening segment to say this could now run into 2022, which will clearly have an impact on children's learning and, as you say, possibly their mental health as well.